Welcome to WhatsSmokingBBQ. Today I'm gonna make a spatchcock chicken. It's the first time I'm gonna cook this kind of recipe. I've cooked chicken before on the barbecue. Most of the time beer can chicken or just roasted chicken. I'm gonna be using chicken from a little village called Tholen in the Netherlands, thoolse hoen. For the seasoning I'm gonna use Plowboys BBQ Rub. I'm gonna season it with that. First gonna use a little bit of olive oil. Alright, let's get going and try it out. Okay, let's cut open the chicken. I'm gonna put some gloves on. Get this out of the way. Do not contaminate anything. So this is the chicken. Well, it's dripping out some stuff. I should not have turned it upside down, but okay. Let's get the cord off and get some paper to clean it up. Pat it dry. Also in the cavity. Don't rinse it out, you will spread the salmonella everywhere if there is any salmonella in it. Just dry pat it. Get this out of the way as well. Okay, so basically what we got is the chicken, the backbone on this side and the breastbone on this side. If you want to make a beer can chicken, you open up the chicken and put it on over a beer can on a stand. With spatchcocking it or butterflying it, that's another name. What you're going to do is cut out the backbone alongside it. Use a knife or use some big meat scissors. And then you'll be able to fold open the chicken so it will cook evenly. I will show you how to do that. It's going to be the first time I'm going to try it. I hope it will work out and don't see any reason why it wouldn't, but you never know. Let's try with a knife. Cut along the spine. Let's try with scissors. Is that any better? Yeah, that it is better. Okay, go through the skin. One side. I'm gonna cut the other side. I think I will flip it around. It's more easy to have a grip. Right, buddy, get your wing out of the way. Also, that will be cut too. You don't want that. I want you to be able to be flying. Not just kidding. Okay, skin is quite tough to cut with the scissors, but the bone is cutting. This is what we got, the backbone. And then we have the chicken here. The only thing we need to do is flip it over and then you have the breastbone here, and if you push on it, it will break and the chicken will spread out more even. I will show you in a minute. Let's get this out of the way. Can you use that piece of back for to make your stock, chicken stock or whatever. So the idea is, what I've seen is, oh yeah, just push and it cracks. So basically that's the chicken. I will clean it up a little bit more and then I will put some olive oil on it, put some rub on it, let's get going. So what we got is the chicken like this on the inside and the outside. Hope you guys can see it. I'm gonna season it up, first the inside and then I'm gonna season the outside. And then I'm gonna put it back in the fridge for like an hour or 2, 3. And then I'm gonna cook it just before dinner time. It's gonna probably need like an hour and a half max. Let's put some olive oil over it. Too. Just gently massage it and let's season it up. Go in all little cracks and crannies. On the skin, that will crispen up anyway. Wings. This side too on the wing. And let's flip our friend around. And let's do the other side as well. What you could do is a tip, if you go to the inside and pour a little bit in there as well under the skin. Just to boost the flavors. Come here. Okay. Let's try to pour some in here on the breastbone. And on the other side too, just make a little pocket and open it up by putting your finger under there. The skin will protect the meat for drying out. And on the inside it will be seasoned too for the people that don't like to eat the skin. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna put it in the fridge in a tray, let it go for a few hours, and let's get back when I'm gonna prepare the barbecue and put it on, and I will talk you through the process there. I'm gonna barbecue my chicken indirect. I will show you guys how I set up my barbecue for that. And I'm gonna add a chunk of wood, cherry wood, that will give a nice color to the chicken. Let me get you guys closer so you can see how I will do the indirect. I have 2 trays. I'll put them both to the side instead of using my diffuser plate. I'm gonna light up the fire starters and we'll let that go for like 15 minutes. After that it should be fine, and then I'm gonna get you guys back. Barbecue is on temperature. I'm gonna put the chicken on. Breast side up, so the inside down. Let's glove up and get you guys a bit closer. That's how the chicken looks like. Okay, let's put the chicken on. Just like that. And I'll be putting a chunk of wood. Well, my chicken is on the barbecue. It's heating up indirect. It's gonna take like an hour 15, maybe a little bit longer. In the meantime, I'm gonna get a beer. Birds of Prey. Birds of Prey IPA. Together with my bird on the barbecue. It's from Alge Brewing and Company. Cheers. Nice, refreshing, hoppy. You can hear the chicken cooking. I'm going to be making mashed potatoes together with Port Salut cheese, some chives, bacon, sour cream. I'm gonna mash the potatoes together now. So to the mashed potatoes I added a little bit of milk, sour cream, butter. I'm gonna add some chives, and I already added some bacon, and I will add some salt and pepper. I'm gonna add some Port Salut cheese. I grated it. After adding all the ingredients, I put it in a casserole dish and covered it with Port Salut cheese. I'm gonna put it in the oven for like 40 minutes on 200 degrees. Looks like the chicken is almost done. I will probe for the temperature and see what it is. Oh yeah. It's done. I will take it off and let it rest.